The final part of this is the third trigonometry formula from this lesson, which is used to find the area of a triangle. And it is slightly different to your base times height divided by 2. That's the only rule that you need on the foundation paper. On the higher paper, we need this extra rule, half AB sine C. Again, we label everything in the same way as we did with our sine and cosine rules. Only difference this time is that we want to label the angle that we're using as C. So let's look at how we'd use it on this first example. So we can see that we're given an angle 41 here. I'm going to label that as capital C. And then essentially that angle needs to always be between two side lengths that you know. So you'll see we know this side length here. We know this side length over here. And that angle between them, the 41, we know. So we label that as RC. And the A's and B's, doesn't matter which way around they go. So lowercase a, lowercase b. You can label the rest of it, but you'll notice from the formula, those are the only three parts you need. A lowercase a, lowercase b, capital C. Then from there, all that we do is substitute everything in. So half AB sine C, so a half times by A times by B and times by sine of C, which we know is 41 degrees. And then simply put that in your calculator and we get 23.6 to three significant figures.